Hi everyone, welcome back to the full range room. Let's breeze through the familiar vinyasa and learn about the not so familiar backbend vinyasa. Vinyasa is your chaturanga, up dog, down dog, and it is usually done after doing a sequence or a pose on the right side and then on the left side. Chaturanga, of course, you can do it with the knees on or off the floor with one leg up. It's really your choice. Up dog is the back bend after that. Not to be confused with Bhujangasana, but that is still our choice. The difference between the two is that in up dog, we are onto the tops of our feet. Thus, the legs are off the floor. But in Bhujangasana, the legs are on the floor. And of course, we do down dog after that. Now, I learned about Backbend Vinyasa during our yoga TTC or teacher training course. And it is done after doing a sequence with backbends on the right side and then on the left side. So for example, if your sequence included Ekapada Rajakapotasana. Alright, I personally think that you can do backbend vinyasa instead of a regular vinyasa, but only if you have a good backbend. So this is how backbend vinyasa goes. If we were on our right side, okay, in vinyasa we would step the right foot back, right? In backbend vinyasa, we inhale to a dog split, open the hips, bend the knee, okay, and step back into Complementary. Exhale, reverse the motion, right hand down, okay, left foot flat. Now we have two options here. I'll show the first one on this side. The left hand can grab the outer edge of the right foot, straighten the leg out, all right, and then we inhale back to dog split and exhale down dog. Okay, now I'll just do the left side so you can see the second option. Okay, so inhale, dog split. Okay, open the hips, bend the knee, move into Complementary. Exhale, reverse, left hand down, right foot flat, and this time we extend that leg to the front, reach the right arm up. Okay, and we inhale back to dog split, exhale down dog. Okay, so that's backbend vinyasa for you. It's not usually taught in classes, so I'll refer you to this video when I do a class that incorporates it. If we're not confident with our backbends, we can always wait in down dog. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.